welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano chords Accompaniment to Love Me Tender by Elvis Presley. It's a nice slow one, it's got lots of nice interesting chords in there, particularly 7th chords, and there's basically only 2 sections to it. So I've left the full chords where you can access those down below. The Elvis movie as well is coming out very, very soon. I'll certainly be going to see it and I'm really looking forward to it. Let me know if you're gonna go and see it at the cinema and if you're looking forward to it as well. And perhaps I'll do some more Elvis tutorials. So here is middle C as a reference if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. This is in the key of D major, so on the screen now, all the notes of the scale of D major. The chords are mostly formed using those notes. So I'll teach both hands at the same time. There's not going to be any hands together. Obviously this is played on guitar, so it's like one note in the left hand and then a split chord in the right hand. You don't have to split it, which means you play the notes rapidly from lowest to highest. And I'm going to be using the pedal as well. So the intro is just 2 chords, so it's a D. And then you're going to play second inversion of D major, so that's A, D, and F sharp. So these 3 notes, 1, 2. Then you're going to play the A in the left hand, and then the same chord in the right hand, and that's it for the intro. So it's just D major, and then D over A. So on to the verse. The verse starts with those first 2 chords we've just done. So D, and then A over D over A. And then we have another chord which is an E dominant 7. So you're going to play a lower E in the left hand, and in the right hand we're going to play G sharp, B, D, and E. And then you're going to play a B in the left hand and play that chord again. So that's E7 over B. So far we have love me tender, love me sweet, and then we have an A. So this forms an A dominant 7 chord. So in the right hand you're going to play G, C, C sharp, sorry, and E. You're going to do that twice, so 1, 2, followed by that D to D over A chord. Like that. And then you almost repeat that chord progression again. Remember to write jotting stuff down that's on the top screen, take a note of it on paper. Second half of the verse, the A7, instead of playing it a second time, you play an E with the A7 chord. So it's an A7 over E, and then followed by the D to the A. So there's a very minor difference there. If I just demonstrate this first verse then, I'm going to play this the same for every single verse. So it's all the verses covered. So I'll go from the intro. Love me tender, love me sweet, never let me go. You have made my life complete, and I love you so. And then it's into the chorus. So we have the D major chord, and then the left hand is going to play a C sharp, and the right hand is going to play, so it's an F sharp 7 chord in the right hand. So it's A sharp, C sharp, E, and F sharp. And then we have a B in the left hand, followed by a B minor chord in the right hand. So that's B, D, F sharp. So far we have A in the left hand. And then we have a D7 in the right hand. So that's A, C, D, and then F sharp. And the bass note goes down again to G. And then we have first inversion of G major in the right hand. So that's B, D, G. We play G again. And then we turn the B into a B flat. And this gives us G minor. So G major, G minor, followed by the D, D over A. So we'll just go over again what we've done for the first part of this chorus. Second half, we have the D chord again. This chord here is a B7 chord. So it's B in the left hand, and in the right hand we're going to play A, D sharp, and F sharp. And then we have this E7 chord again, like we do in the verse. E7 over B again. The A7, like we'd have in the verse. Change the left hand to an E, so it's A7 over E. And then the D chord, D over A. So let's go over that second half of the chorus again, so from the D major. Demonstrate the chorus now then. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfilled. For my darling, I love you, and now on to the second verse, which we're going to play as the first one, so I'm just going to continue. Love me tender, love me long, take me to your heart, for it's there that I belong, and So for the last chorus, the last line is just ever so slightly different. So the chords are on the screen, and we just have these individual notes there. So this A, F sharp, these like loose notes at the very end. So I'll just demonstrate the last chorus then. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams are filled. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.